Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys, and today in this particular video I will talk about Fiverr affiliate with the Pinterest pins. And here in this video I have made a video last time, and I have made this video. If you haven't watched this video, make sure to watch this video, so this video will clear your mind that what I'm going to say in this video. So in the previous video I have talked about that the specific traffic of Pinterest, 1 billion traffic, and how you can create your pin with Canva. So here we will find the keywords for pins, and we will put the description. We will add the destination link like a landing page link in the pin as well, and you will definitely get traffic, and you will earn so much money if you work consistently. So here this is my Fiverr affiliate dashboard, and you can see my earning over here, 240.65. I have made this money with Pinterest because I got so much traffic with Pinterest, so that's why I made this type of amount. So here definitely first of all we will select Fiverr affiliate platform, which I have already created a playlist. You can see how you can create your account on Fiverr affiliates, how you can generate your affiliate IDs as well, and how you can create your free landing page. You can see each and everything in the playlist. So if I go to make landing page again and again and telling you the method to create your account on Fiverr, the other people says that you are repeating same thing. So it is easier for you and me to understand. Just go to the playlist and find the keyword videos to create Fiverr affiliate account, landing pages, free landing pages, and multiple method I have shared in my playlist. So guys, I'm going to click over here on Pinterest. So this is the Pinterest account, demo account of mine. So here you can see a lot of people creating their pins. So first of all we will select niche for your affiliate marketing. So let's suppose you are going to promote freelancer from any Fiverr platform. So graphic designer, SEO services, there are a lot of video animation, videography. So we will select some particular niche first of all, but you can do work on multiple niches as well. This is not a necessary, and you can put 5 to 10 different affiliate links, different services affiliate links on your single landing page. But make sure whenever you put your affiliate links on your landing page, make sure the links will be relevant. For example, you have selected the niche of SEO, so you can put 5 different affiliate links with different freelancers, and after that, and even you can use their screenshot images in your landing page, and then you can promote your straight landing page to any other platform. So other user have a lot of options to buy services from any freelancer, but whenever they buy any service from any freelancer, you will get commission, you will be paid from Fiverr, because Fiverr affiliates is the platform of Fiverr. So we will definitely earn the money from Fiverr, and I have already discussed that how you can withdraw your money with Fiverr affiliates. So first of all we will go and we will check the trends of that particular niche. So I have selected, let's suppose, SEO. So I will recommend SEO freelancers to through my landing pages, right? Simply go to the Google and write Google Trends. This will take you to the here. After that you will just simply select the country to check the trends. So for example, I have written United States because I want the results from United States. You can check United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, or anyone. So here I have written SEO services. So I am just checking that is that particular niche has potential or not. So here you can see the graph is going up and down, but now the graph is going up. Now I have finalized that I am going to promote SEO services freelancers. Next, you will find the keywords. You can simply go to the Google Keyword Planner, right? Just write ads.google.com here in the on the screen. Guys, I never teach, I never tell anything without screen. I show each and everything in front of my screen. Many people, I have seen the people on YouTube, they tell everything on the direct camera like this. Okay, so they don't share the screen, so how other person can understand easily. So the best thing is to tell someone, to train someone with screen, so they will get an idea how to do this. So let's suppose ads.google.com, and after that you can easily select your particular keywords. This is the platform, this is the place to find keywords. I have written over here that SEO freelancer. So here we can see for the United States keywords, SEO freelancers 1K to 10K monthly searches with low competition. You can select this keyword because we gonna put this keyword on Pinterest title or in description. And you can select freelancer more keywords, and you can select primary keywords and more relevant keywords for your Pinterest pins. Selected this template from Canva. I am not going to edit this template because this is the random example of this video. So for example, I will go to the Pinterest first, and then I will click over here, and you can select keywords from here as well. For example, Fiverr freelancers. You can see the results from Pinterest search engine. Fiverr freelancing on Fiverr, cost of develop freelancing services app like Fiverr. So this is the random example to get the keywords, because people are searching on Pinterest with this specific words, right? So you will just need to click over here, and I will simply copy the keyword from here, and then I will paste it on the notepad for the so I will remember that what it was the keyword. And after that, you can see how in SEO Fiverr gig description you can create this type of template, design your template on Canva. After that, simply you will upload your pin. Selected the pin, and definitely you will add the title, description, and after people will you can even write, they have mentioned that people will usually see the first 50 characters when they click on your pin, right? And whenever you create your pin, you will put your title over here with keywords as well, which we have selected from there. Fiverr freelancing from Pinterest, and the second keyword which we have selected from Google Keyword Planner. So we will put the keyword as well in the title and description of that particular pin. So here I am going to paste the pin over here, SEO. So I will modify it. So best SEO freelancer, then I will put the this one, and then I will add this one as well. So whenever any person will come from Google or anyone from Pinterest, they will definitely see your pin on the first page, not in the first day, but in randomly, within a month or within a week. So after that, you will just need to paste over here best SEO freelancers, Fiverr freelancing. Then you will put your description, and make sure whenever you put your description, definitely put the keywords in your description as well. You can generate your description with ChatGPT, which is very popular in these days. You can check my video on ChatGPT as well. So you can create your description for your affiliate link. So here in the DG Store 24, I have discussed chat GPT as this one. So here write affiliate article chat GPT. So this is for article, but you can write your description after giving the command do chat GPT, right? So after that you will put your description, you will write your description from chat GPT. You will put your keywords 1 or 2 times in the description. After that you will add all text. You will add your keywords as well in there, because your pin will get ranked and this will impact in your pin SEO, in your pin SEO. And after that add a destination link. The add destination link will be your landing page link. Never try to put direct affiliate link on here. This platform will get banned you. No, never do this. Put your landing page link over here, or you can generate your article on Medium. So you can put Medium link over here, because Medium will play a role like a landing page. Okay, or you can use Google sites.com link, free landing page link over here, or any free or paid landing pages link over here, or if you have website you can put the link over here. So bridge page and landing page is necessary. So explain what people can see in the pin. So you will explain that which type of pin is this. So you can write best graphic designers you can get from Fiverr platform. I have mentioned that. Or you can write best SEO services, best video editor, best 5 video editor, best 10 video editor, best 5 website developer, best 5 social media marketer, best 5 SEO or search engine marketing consultants, and SEO unpaid, and a different kind of you will know that you can select any niche and you can put relevant description, and you will explain that relevant information to user. Make sure the title description should be matched and the keywords should be put in the description as well, and in the alt text as well, and add the destination link. Your gig, your pin will be ranked very soon. Don't go to the in depth that how you can do this. Simply I have told you that this is the SEO of Pinterest. You can do this easily and simply. First or second term you will be expert to generate your Pinterest pins. So I will make more videos on Pinterest, and I will discuss each and everything, but here in this video I think I have told many things, and if you have any kind of question you can ask me in comments. And one more thing I will add in this video, that many people ask me to give services about YouTube SEO or blog KGR keywords, for blog KGR keywords. So I am thinking to tell my team members to you can I will make an account on make a gig on Fiverr. So if you want keywords related to blogging, related to YouTube, or you can manage your you want to manage your YouTube SEO, so you can give your services your order to that specific gig on my gig. So they will generate and give you the best Excel sheet for your keywords, and they will tell you the best niche for affiliate marketing with YouTube and with blogging sites as well. Hope this video will become a very helpful for you. And once again, if you have any question, you can ask me in comments, or if you have more question, you can contact me on digital.helping on Instagram. So take care. Goodbye.